Hey there guys, so shall we move on to the next problem? So let's go. Construct binary tree from the Inorder and Postorder Traversal, okay. It's not necessarily like we don't necessarily need to read the uh, statement, it is very self-explanatory. So let's directly see what a post order is. 9, 15, card, 7, 20 and 3. 9, 3, 15, 20, 7. So the left, the first left, the left, and the left again. Sorry, right, right, the root. So it is, we surely should have 3, 27, 15, and 9. In order position equals to order of equals to length of my range of n. Three, 20, and 7. And then what? 15 and then 9. Let's see about the post order traversal. Is the first binary tree traversal. So we go to 4 first, and then 8, and then 5, and then 2, then 6. So 1, 3, 7 and 10, 9 and 6, 2, 5, 8 and 4. Now we plan to so let's compare the Inorder and Postorder. Okay, we select 3 here. We will have left and right side paths, and then 20 left and right side paths, and then 7. Okay, after fixing 7, we'll have 15. This is the leftmost thing. In the 9, if left is greater than right, return 12 dot post equals to value equals to root equals to node of now we created the root. Now is equals to now here we are going right, so 3 and then 20 and then 7 No, then yes, this is working fine. I hope if only we get another example to do, it would be much better. Let's add this example right here. So the in order would be 4, 2, 8, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 1, 1, 3, sorry, 1, 6, 3, 9, 7, 7. 1, 6, 3, 9, 7, 7. 1, 6, 3, 9, 7, and 10. Now 4, 8, 5, 2, 6, 9. 4, 8, 5, 2, 6, 9. 8, 5, 2, 6, and 9. 10, 7, 3, 1. 10, 7, 3, 1. Let's go again. Quality is working fine. So let's submit it and discuss the intuition. Great. So what we are doing here is just like the previous one. Uh, uh, so previously we have learned about pre-order traversal, and in which we are going from the starting layer by layer, just like this 3, 9, 20, 3, and 7. Now we are doing it in a different way. Um, sorry guys. So what we are doing now is the post order traversal. We are taking the 9 and then 15, so the leftmost values first. Then the complete right stack, and if we have anything right to this before we get 15, we will have that right stack, and then we go to the 15. for which you are doing, you are going through left, sorry, right to left, 327 and so on, which is being handled by this post, which is consider this as a pointer. We are going to its value one by one, and 3 is considered a root first, and then we'll go to 20. 20 is considered a root, and then 7 is also considered a root in the recursion, where 70 has no children, so it will return none since it is the end. It will return none, and 7 will have left and right children as none. Since it is returned, we'll go back to 20. Now for 20, we have to move further right, so we move to the 15. We added 15 here, and we'll narrow down 15 to a single point, so it will be added, it will be returned, and this is formed as a subtree attached to the, when it returns, it will be attached to the 3, and then finally we go to the 9, which is narrowed down again, so by here it will return the complete answer, and we are submitting it here. So actually this is very new to me, so my explanation is also not that good, especially I am not very much into the recursion. I am familiar with it and I am currently understanding what's going on, but let's make a small short series explaining recursion and different kinds of functions in a short way. So if you guys didn't understand, just let me know the part where you find it difficult to understand. I'll try to explain it to each and every one of you, and I'll pin the comment as I explain it, so that it will pop up for everyone and you will get less repetitive answers, I mean questions. So we'll meet you again with another video. If you liked it, upvote it and share it with your friends and community. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to comment it. It's very essential. Thank you again for choosing the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep pushing hard and keep learning. Goodbye guys.